If you're looking for how to cancel a Hostinger plan, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and avoid being charged again. Whether you're switching to a different host, no longer need the service, or just want to turn off auto-renewal, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land in the main Hostinger area where you can manage your services, domains, and billing settings. If you have multiple products, make sure you're in the right account before making any changes. Next, go to your dashboard. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your account tools in one place. From here, you'll want to find the billing section because that's where subscription management is handled. Now click on billing, then choose subscriptions. This section shows every active plan connected to your account, including hosting plans, renewals, and other paid services. If you've been using Hostinger for a while, you may see more than one subscription listed, so take a moment to locate the exact plan you want to cancel. Once you find your hosting plan, click to open it. This will bring up the details for that specific service, including renewal settings and subscription options. At this point, double check that you've selected the correct plan, especially if you manage more than one website or package. Now look for the option to disable auto-renewal. This is the key step because turning off auto-renewal prevents the plan from being charged again when the current billing period ends. In many cases, Hostinger uses auto-renewal instead of an immediate cancel button, so disabling renewal is the practical way to stop future payments. After that, Hostinger will ask you to confirm the cancellation or renewal change. Read the message carefully so you understand exactly what will happen next. In most cases, your hosting plan will remain active until the end of the billing cycle, but it won't renew automatically after that. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation when you're ready. Once that's done, your plan should show auto-renewal turned off or cancelled in your subscriptions list. It's always a good idea to go back and verify that the status changed successfully, just so you know the request went through properly. If you want, you can also keep a screenshot of the confirmation for your records. And that's it. You've now cancelled your Hostinger plan by disabling auto-renewal through the billing and subscriptions area. This is the safest and most reliable way to make sure your hosting doesn't renew unexpectedly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.